Hi, in this video, we will talk about chart application automation in Playwright. So this is one of the options available in Playwright. So we already discussed in our previous videos when you were talking about the advantages or talking about the Playwright introduction. So that time we discussed that we can automate chart type of applications. So how is that possible? So by taking one example, we will see that. So before that, in one of our previous videos, we have seen that browser context multiple page scenarios. Okay, so here what we did, we created two browser contexts, and with the help of one context we created one page. With the help of other context we created another page. Okay, so it opens a browser, it opens another browser. So page dot navigate to this URL, page one dot will navigate to this URL. By using this concept, okay, by using this concept, we will try to automate the chart application. So before that, let me execute and see how it is executing. You see, observe the behavior. So it will open two different browsers, and what one will navigate to one URL, another will navigate to another URL. You see two browsers. Observe, one is demo.automationtesting.in, another is dev.automationtesting.in. Okay, at a time, it opened two browsers and executing parallelly. Right. So after 10 seconds, it will close. Yeah. So you observe that, right? So the same concept we will use to automate our chart application. So chart application automation. So for this, I'll go to one of the URL called tlk.io, talk.io. Is that tlk.io? A simple web chart. Okay. So how can you do this? So we can create one channel and use the same URL, channel URL, talk.io slash this channel name. So multiple people can join that and they can interact with one another. So I'll say Playwright user 1. Okay, I'll create login. This is Playwright user 1. You see that talk.io slash Playwright user 1. So let me do one more thing. I'll take a private window and again talk.io, and here, so what I'll do, I'll create Playwright user 2 join. Okay, so both are let me do one thing. Okay, side by side, this is Playwright user 1, Playwright user 2. Here what I'll do, I'll use a name. Okay, so name is Krishna enter. Now user is Krishna. Here you see that one is online. Let me user 2. Why it is not giving me the option 2? Okay, whatever it is. And now okay, here the person name is Krishna, here the person name is 2. So sorry, actually we need to go to same channel. Okay, same channel, not different channels. So I'll go to the same channel. So here I can create another user 2 online. You see that 2 online. So let me go to here. So now what I'll do, I say Krishna said hi. You see that this side, so user will to create also hi Krishna. Is it Krishna said hi, user 2 said hi Krishna. And again Krishna is saying How are you, user 2? You see that Krishna is saying, or you user 2 now respond. Okay. I'm doing good. Krishna, thanks for asking. And you can say, how about you? You see that? So this way, two users will go to the same channel and they can interact with with each other. Okay. So we'll try to replicate the same thing. This application we will automate. We'll try to replicate the same thing. Okay. So for that, let me maximize this. So talk.io. Okay. So now we'll try to write the logic. Okay. So playwright is equals to playwright dot create, and then I can say browser is equals to playwright dot chromium dot launch new launch options dot set headless false. Now I'll create two contexts. Okay, two user contexts. That is what we created, right? Browser context and browser context one. The same way, I will create two browser contexts. Okay. So browser context. So what I'll do, Krishna context. Okay, I'm giving some name, browser dot new context. So this is one user will use that. Sakinala context is equals browser dot new context. I'm using my name and my surname. Okay. So with the help of these two browser contexts, I'll create two separate pages. Okay. Page. So Krishna page is equals to Krishna context dot new page. So again, page Sakinala page is equals to Sakinala context dot new page. Okay. So I created two different pages with the help of two browser contexts. Right. So I need to use one channel name. So I'll create a random channel name. Channel name is equals to, I'll use chart. Some random, a new random dot next int. I'll generate one random number. I'll use the same thing as a channel name. So each and every time it will create a new channel with a new name and it will use that. Okay. So for better understanding. Okay. So now what I need to do, once I go there, first I need to navigate to the URL. So which page I want to use? First, Krishna page dot navigate. So what is that application? tlco.io. Okay. So once he goes there, we need to type channel here. ID chart permalink. Okay. So Krishna page dot fill of channel name is channel name. Okay. So if I go to Playwright user and then join again. So here what I need to do, I need to click on join button. The join button is a Krishna page dot fill join button. Sorry, this is click. Okay. Right. After that, I need to find this. Okay. To type message body. Okay. Otherwise, I need to create a user, right? So I'll say dummy user. Uh, user, I'll send, I need to put on name here. Participant nickname. Okay. So Krishna page dot fill participant nickname, comma. So what name I can give? I'll say my name, Krishna. Okay. So I'll give Krishna. Right. After that, I need to enter. Right. I need to enter. So Krishna page dot. We have press enter. Right. So we have seen keyboard actions previously. So if you go to perform keyboard actions test, we used, okay, first we need to give the locator and then, so same locator and comma, enter. Okay, I have given Krishna and then enter. So now I need to put some information, message body. Right, message body. Krishna page dot. First fill comma, message. I'll say something like hi. And then same thing. What is that? I need to use enter. Okay. So we are using one page. We are done. At least we are entering hi. We need to perform the same thing for other user also. So till here it is executing fine or not. We'll verify once. So it has to create, means it should open two browsers. And in one browser, it navigate to talk.io and it will create the channel name and it will join and then create a user and then it will print hi. You see that? So very fast. So let me thread dot sleep off from 10,000 seconds. So let me execute again. So if it is working fine, then we will try to use the same code for other page also, means other user. You see that? It is entering. Okay. Okay, anyhow, it is chat 2 to 233. So it is creating the user Krishna and then doing something. Okay. So we'll see what is the problem. Key enter. Okay. This is press, not enter. Okay. So press. So now it is working fine. So we need to replicate the same thing for what? Sakinala page. Same code. Instead of hi, I can say hello. And this username is Sakinala. That's it. So two different browsers and then two users will join the same channel. The reason is channel name I'm using both the time same channel. Okay. So this guy will say hi and this guy will say end. Okay. So let me execute again and observe the behavior. Observe here. You see, hi, hello. Here Sakinala. Here Krishna. Hello. hi. Okay. After 10 seconds, it will close. But if I want to perform this, no, like chatting, hello, hi, how are you? I am fine, thank you. What? How about you? So I want to do this kind of chat. So I cannot keep writing the same thing again and again. Okay. So for that, we'll try to reduce this code by creating few methods. So first I'll create a user. Okay. First I'll create a user, public static void create user. Okay. So we'll simplify and we'll see that execution. So for create user, I'll pass three parameters: page, string channel name, comma, string username. Okay. So inside this, I'll move this code from here to here. Okay. So this is common for multiple times, right? So I'll replace this page with so the moment when I say create user means it will navigate to the this URL and it will fill the channel name and it will click on the login button. Channel name is channel name and username. Here I need to replace with the username. Okay, so it will navigate to this URL. It will fill the channel name, click on join button, and it will fill the username and hit enter. Okay, so and I want to message, right? For message also, public static void send message. For send message also, I need page instance, comma, string message. So here, so these two things, hello and enter, right? These two lines of code is common each and every time, right? So page dot fill, what is that? Message. This message you will pass here, and then page dot the same message, the same locator, and enter, right? So now what I can do here after creating the chat, I can remove this entire code. Okay, after channel, I can remove this entire code and I'll create user. I'll pass which page? Krishna page. Okay, and channel name is channel name. My username is Krishna. That's it, right? So the moment when you call this create user, it will go inside this. The page is separate page, Krishna page. Okay, Krishna page dot navigate to this one, Krishna page dot fill this one, and pass the channel name which you created here, and the username you are passing Krishna, that will go here, and it will use the username and hit enter. Means ready to chat with that name. So the same thing I will remove from here to here. Again, I'll use create user. Here Sakinala page, same channel, comma, the name is username is Sakinala. Okay, I created two users. After that, I need to send messages. Right, send message. So Krishna page, he'll say hi. Okay, and send message. Once he says hi, Sakinala will react. He'll say hello. Say, how are you? Right. Again, send message. Again, Krishna will reply, I am fine. He'll say just thanks for asking. How about you? Again, Sakinala will respond. I'm also good. This guy also saying, thanks for asking. And again, Krishna is asking, what else? And Sakinara is replying, nothing much. Something like that. Okay. So after everything is done, I'll close Krishna page. I'll go Sakinala page and I'll playwright dot close. Okay. Let me put here. Okay. And if you want to give a pause between messages, okay, after sending the message, hitting enter, red dot sleep off, I'll say 1.5 second. It's around with the try catch. Okay. After entering the message and hitting enter, wait for 1.5 seconds. And then second person will react. Okay. So after this, so now we are done. So only thing you need to remember here, the important thing is these 4 lines. We are creating 2 contexts. For each context, I am creating a new page. And with the help of new page, I am interacting. Okay. So if I try to execute this now and observe carefully, you see, hello, how are you? I am fine. Thanks for asking. What else? So nothing much. You see, Sakinala Krishna, Sakinala Krishna, Sakinala, something like that. So 2 people are online. Sakinala here, Sakinala Krishna here, Sakinala, 2 people online. So after 10 seconds, we'll close. All right. So it is a bit fast, it seems. So after creating the channel or after creating the page, I'll put and at least 3 seconds. And I want to see that, how he is typing, right? For that, we have one more option in Playwright. One of the beautiful options, this is also dot set slow mode. Execution will be in the slow mode. I'll say 150 milliseconds. Okay. So it will perform very slowly. Okay. So observe carefully. So observe here. Hi, it will wait. Hello, how are you? I am fine. Thanks for asking. See that Krishna and Sakinala both are charting in the chart 458. So here we used fill method. So instead of fill, if we use type and type options, okay, new type options dot set delay. So 200 seconds, no, at least 150 milliseconds. So we'll give a try. So now you can see that even they are typing. So 2 browsers. You see that you can observe, see, hello, how are you? And then I am fine. Thanks for asking. How about you? I'm also good. You see that? You can observe that what is happening. Now Krishna will react. What else? Now Saknala will react. Nothing much. That's it. Right. After 10 seconds, both the browsers will close. You see? So very simple. With these two contexts, we're able to achieve this chart application automation. Not only chart application, sometimes in your application, you want to log in as a admin user and normal user. And you want to perform something here and you want to verify as an admin. Otherwise, if you want to set some permissions to one user as admin and go to that login as that user and verify that permissions are working fine or not. In this kind of scenarios also, you can use this context not only for chart application, but just for example, I used this chart application and I'm explaining you. Right. So the very simple, but you need to understand this. That's it. Right. So this is how you can now automate your chart application using Playwright. Okay. So that's all in this video. Thank you for watching this video. Please like the video, share the video, and subscribe to the channel for interesting updates. Thank you.